Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the tips and tricks that one can use for the speaking section of the Ielts academic test. I've listed down few points that we should always focus on. So the first point is you always need to stick to moderate length or long answer types only. Never answer in one word or two words. Always make sure that you build up a story behind your answer and answer it. So that is one thing. Please note that you shouldn't and never answer in just one single word. And the second point that everyone should focus on is you need to speak very clearly and precisely. And always focus on your pronunciation. Now, these are few points that the examiner looks at when they're evaluating your speaking section. So always keep in mind, speak clearly and focus on your pronunciation. The third point, now which is very important. Why? Because speaking test is not just about your speaking, it's more of a communication test in English language. So you need to be coherent. You need to answer to the point. You need to answer precisely. If you're asked a particular question, you don't have to move away from that question and answer directly. You need to answer directly. It should be a coherent answer. And the last point, the fourth point that most of the people do mess up, it's the cue card section. So when you get a cue card, you have a minute to prepare. You have a set of questions that you are suggested that you should answer these questions. Always make sure that whatever points you have noted down for the cue card section answers those questions. Because if you skip any point in that particular time frame, you're gonna lose your band or score for that. So always make sure that you answer all the questions asked in the cue card section. Now guys, this was the tips and tricks that I had in my mind, and I suggest that you guys follow this. For the next video that we have on how we can prepare for the speaking test can be seen on the screen right here, or somewhere here. Or if you wish to move back to the previous video, you can see the card pop up right now up here. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel for this awesome content and other related content. Thank you guys.